Brothers Bistro. Recipes so simple, even a dude can make it.
Welcome.
Have we got a surprise for you?
Oh man, what did you do now, brother?
Well, the last episode we hired a photography team. Do I still have my makeup on?
Yeah.
We
you
hired
need a few dots covered, I think.
We hired a photography team, and we actually had our editor run around with a video camera and take some video footage of our photo shoot.
Oh, so we're gonna put that all together as a special episode.
That's right. Hit the notifications, turn on the subscribe, or vice versa, and then give us a thumbs up.
Yep, and we'll be back before you know it. Brothers Bistro, out.
I'm making it do. You gotta have to get closer together.
Behind the scenes nonsense.
There you go.
Okay, your turn.
Okay, now both of you first. Like just up in the air and try to catch it with your own mouth. But don't like lean back too far. I still want to see your face. You're clearly gonna miss your mouth. Now wait till I'm ready.
Oh, we gotta do it again?
Yeah. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Hands on hips, okay. Ooh, hands on hips or across the chest?
Kevin, you put your hands on Kenny's.
Anyway, while I'm here though, go back down to your. You guys are just so cute.
Oh, good lord.
I know. I'd like to.
Can you get the reflection though? Can you see the double?
I can't see your faces, but if I go.
I got the double.
Double Minton.
Check out the nude.
I know, but take a step back a little. And you're standing like. Do you normally stand with your feet like 8 feet apart?
Yes.
Not normally.
Okay.
No, that's right. That's him. I don't know.
Scooch towards your brother a little bit.
He's trying to prove
And then look
something.
towards, not all the way, but like look at the cheese.
Okay.
Not like longingly, but just in general. Just zooming out, don't mind me. Yep, I got all of that, so thanks. That's perfect. Okay, you can go with your ice cream.
All right.
I gave you a bigger spot than me. What the heck?
Oh, shit.
Is this y'all's first time eating ice cream?
Together.
Yeah, I don't think you've ever fed me ice cream. He's fed me a lot of other shit, but he's never fed me ice cream.
Never.
Bro! That was awesome!
That was amazing.
If you like that, there's more where that came from, so stick around.
Brothers Bistro, out.